سلام و درود، مجد آرمین هستم. اومدیم با یه گیم پارت شیطان آلن ویک. اتاق 666 حاجی. همه مقول محله آخر میشه. بریم که داشته باشیم.
Scratch had been here.
Yeah, man.
I could sense his presence lingering in the room. I was about to have another killer
اتاق
idea.
خیلی میالوده.
Let's talk about the murder victim. The lady who was killed in the climax of the play.
یه زنی که قربانی کردن کی بوده؟ بس اتاق تونستم باش هم کار کنم.
A grand dame for sure.
زنی با نفوذ
He
بود.
went back a long time.
اونو مدت پیش میشناختن. اصطلاحش که پیشنویس ارشد نوشته اجرا رو دیده.
He'd been with this mysterious writer, his muse. That was her role in the play.
درشون توی داستان بود منبع
She
الهام.
was staying in room 108, where the murder
توی
happened.
اتاق
They
108
set up the
جایی که
final
قتل
scene, right.
108
The devil
حاجی
comes,
پایین بود.
an unstoppable force crashing through the hotel through each scene, executed with devastating mastery, and all leading up to him meeting his muse. It turns out he knew her. He had only joined the play to get to her.
To murder her.
وای وای حاجی پشمام کیرم لعنت خود بگاری کیرم. کجا دور بشم؟ بسکش مادر گنده. تو میخوری بسکش. تو میخوری کیرم مصیبت خیلی خراب حاجی. مردم. آره حاجی واردت شدم.